Good afternoon, YouTubers. Good afternoon, YouTubers. Are you there? I don't know. Yeah, it's starting to move. Well, here it is. That big chunk of nasty stuff over there was a Christmas tree back in the 80s. It was featured in one of those videos where I was showing the pictures of the blue spruces that came down our driveway or beside our driveway, and they got needle cast and got down. Then we put those little ones in there. Oh man, the battery's showing low. Doesn't like cold weather, so I don't know how far I'm going to get through this. Anyhow, I have no plans on what I'm going to make out of this. All I do is plans to make sawdust. So that's about the best thing that I can say. I don't think it's going to be very long, and by the time I charge the battery, it's going to be dark. So let me see what I can get a couple cuts out of it. This thing's gnarly. I'm just trying to get 4 flats on it and get something out of it. So it ain't gonna make it. When you're sawing gnarly junk like this, people that trimmed it didn't trim all those, what I call bullets, off of there. But when you got one low like this, okay, I'm cutting into it and it's starting to hit the collar up there. So I gotta cut all this off or roll it a little bit, and by the time I go back there and do all that, I think I'm gonna have be out of battery. So I guess that's about it. Sorry guys, we just ain't sawing this one till probably the next clear day. I'm gonna try to roll it back so I can get the carriage under the thing. I don't really like sawing junk like this. The only reason it is because it's my tree. Because these little pieces here, those are what I call bullets, and they fly when you cut. Like if you cut, if you cut half of that and it comes off, those are the ones that are the dangerous pieces. So I'm going to sit here and try to get this back, wrestle this back for another day. I guess I'll put you on a tripod, you can watch. We're only at 4 minutes. And look, the shaft ain't turning. Let me see if I can get it back. They don't like to go back on manual mills. Well, that's why I was having such a problem. I heard something, came back and look at it. There was a limb stuck in between the, stuck in back there. And when I pulled it forward, I heard the crack. That's what you saw me looking for if you're still on there. Well, that's all. That's it. I got it in so the carriage is out of the out of breath. Carriage is out of the rain that's coming in, and I don't know, sawing gets fewer and far in between when you get this kind of weather. You can kind of take a peek out there. I don't generally like to saw in this kind of weather. I was just kind of trying to make something, trying to cut the Christmas tree, trim the Christmas tree on the sawmill. That was a Christmas tree, and I was going to trim it. The only real plans I had, if I didn't say it early, was I was plans to make sawdust out of it. Kind of hoping to make 2 benches out of it and put it on the front porch and just kind of have it as a memorabilia piece. So anyhow, I put antifreeze in my steam engine, so maybe it's not a steamer anymore. So anyhow, that's it for today. Look at the mud. It is such a mess. Over and out. Bye bye.